Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to free up some iCloud space on your iPhones or iPads. All relatively works the same. Now, if you guys like videos like this and want more iOS tutorials and tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give a big like on this video. I really would appreciate it, as I do have daily content coming out for you guys, showing you guys how to do many different things with technology. Now, first things first, to free up some iCloud storage space, all you have to do is go over to your settings and open that up. And once you're in your settings, you want to head over to your iCloud. So just go at the top where you see your Apple ID name, click on that, and then just click on iCloud here. And then you'll be in this portion right here. Now, first things first, you want to manage storage. So just click the manage storage option here, and we will see all the stuff that's taking up space on our iCloud. So I personally have a pretty big iCloud on my storage plan because I have a MacBook and other Apple devices that use up the storage as well. So that's important to me. But if you guys are looking to clear out some space, a lot of you guys probably have the 5 gig free iCloud storage from Apple. So if that's the case, you guys obviously want to be careful with what you put in your iCloud because it could fill up very quickly. Now, as you guys see, for me personally, I have photos taking up the most space, backups, messages, that kind of stuff. But for you guys can just scroll through here and see what's taking up the most space that you don't want to take up the space. So let's just say, for example, voice memos. I can go ahead and click on voice memos right here. And then you have the option to delete the data. So if you don't care about the voice memos, you can go ahead and delete the data. And that goes for anything that you guys see in here, whether it's Apple Books or any apps. A lot of things will probably be photos for you guys or backups. That's probably likely to take up the most space on your iCloud storage. So you guys can just go through here, click on the one that you're thinking about deleting, and you could either disable or delete right here, and it will free up some iCloud storage for you guys that way. Now, one thing I would like to point out as well, if you guys go back out to the normal iCloud settings, you will see it says apps using iCloud. So I personally have everything on here for me right now because I have the 200 gigabytes, but this is probably very important for you guys if you guys have the 5 gigabytes. So just go through here and see if you can turn anything off. So things like Safari, if you don't care about Safari backing up stuff, you can go ahead and turn that off. And then it will say to turn off Safari, what would you like to do with the previously synced iCloud Safari data? You can either keep it on your phone or delete from your phone. So every time you turn off an application here, you will get this message asking you if you want to keep it on your phone or just delete it. So for example, I'll just keep this on my iPhone, and then it'll be saved on there for me, and it'll be disabled on here, and my iCloud storage will be more empty. So you guys can just go through this whole process with all these applications and scroll through here like Wallet, Health, GarageBand, Photos, Shortcuts, and then individual applications as well. So you guys can just scroll through here. Everyone's will look a bit different. But yeah, so all you guys want to do is just prioritize what you want on your phone, and if it matters to you, if it's on your iCloud or if it's on your phone. So for example, like I'm a YouTuber, obviously, so my photos, I screen record like I am right now. So it's very important for me to keep my photos on, just because it makes it a lot easier for me to edit my content. I don't have to transfer anything. It's automatically on my computer because it's in my iCloud. So that helps me out a lot personally. So it all depends on what you guys are looking for. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with at least explaining some of this stuff to you so you guys can free up some iCloud space. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.